Hello friends, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. I'm making sambar today, a very nice recipe of sambar. As we all know that sambar is a very popular dish in South Indians also, and all over India. We love sambar, we love South Indian food. So without sambar we can't imagine South Indian food. It goes with idli, dosa, everything. So I'm going to show you a very nice recipe of sambar today. Let's start making it. This is boiled tur dal, I have boiled this with salt and turmeric powder, a little bit of oil. How to boil dal properly, you can refer to my dal recipes. I have 2 dal recipes, you can refer to that. These are 2 cups of dal which I have boiled, and this is completely cooked. Then we need 2 onions. These are vegetables, these are drumsticks. And I have got bottle gourd, which we call ghia. These drumsticks I have boiled in salt and turmeric powder for 2 minutes and drained the water. This also you can add your favorite other vegetables if you want. These are 2 tomatoes, 2 red chilies, curry leaves, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, hing. These are fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, salt, red chili powder, sambar masala, hing, oil, and another very important ingredient of this sambar. This is tamarind. I have soaked this tamarind in water, hot water. I'm going to use the pulp of it. I've switched on the flame, taken this. Now I'm going to add oil to this. Around 2 to 3 big spoons of oil. So I've taken oil, let this oil now heat up. Then I'm going to add next ingredient. First of all, I'm going to add these mustard seeds. 2 teaspoons around of mustard seeds. Around half a teaspoon of this fenugreek seeds. Keep the flame low. Around half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let these crackle first. These mustard seeds, really they smell very, very nice. Even when they start crackling, they give a very nice aroma. Then I'm going to add these 2 whole red chilies to it. Be careful because the oil is hot, so just keep a distance. Next I'm adding this hing or asafoetida. Then comes these. Then comes curry leaves first. Onions. Then you have to mix onions. See, I'm going to roast these onions for 2 to 3 minutes first on medium slow flame until they just turn a little bit mushy. This already has started smelling very, very nice. This is a very simple recipe, can be just prepared in 15-20 minutes if you have made all the preparations before. See, these onions are a bit mushy now. Little bit we have cooked for 2 to 3 minutes now. Next I'm going to add these tomatoes. Make the flame high. And also we are going to add red chili powder according to taste. And also a little bit of turmeric also to this masala to give it a nice color, and little bit of salt also. Just mix it properly, and again we have to cook this for a few minutes until these get properly mixed together, tomatoes and onions. I'm adding these vegetables to this masala now. First, we are going to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then it's going to give a very good flavor because they'll be cooked with these onions and masala together. Just mix it well. And then next we have to add this sambar masala. I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons full. Wow, it smells very, very good. You can add any choice of your vegetables, carrots or potatoes, whatever you like to. But these drumsticks and these, they taste very nice in the sambar. Another 2 minutes to cook these vegetables. See, I've cooked these for 2 to 3 minutes now. Next time, adding this tamarind pulp, which I've strained, taken off the seeds away, and keep the flame high now. Just mix it properly, and this tamarind juice, this pulp and these vegetables are going to cook for few minutes together, which is going to give it a very good flavor. See, I have like cooked these vegetables for now. They look like almost half cooked. Now this is the time to add this boiled dal, tur dal, to it. You can keep the consistency as much as you want, like thick one or a watery consistency of sambar. Just mix it quickly and keep the flame high. It should boil for like around 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes on high flame first. That is going to be very tasty. More it will cook, more it will be tastier. This looks quite thick. I'm going to add some water to it. It looks perfect now. See the consistency? Now on high flame we are going to cook this for around 4 to 5 minutes until these vegetables get tender fully. Let's check on our sambar. It's been 5 to 7 minutes. I have kept it on low flame to cook it properly. Wow, see, it's cooked now. See the color? The texture is also so good. The vegetables are cooked now. These drumsticks, bottle gourd or ghee. This looks very nice, and it must be tasting very nice, and it smells heavenly. I'm going to serve this today with idli. You can also refer to my idli recipe. I have made stuffed idli, so you can check with that, the suji stuffed idli. You can the batter would be same for that. You can check the link. I'm going to finish this lovely sambar with coriander leaves, which are my favorite. This gives a very nice color and very nice flavor also. It's going to enhance the flavor more. And quickly I'll switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. See, I've served this sambar, this lovely sambar with these idlis. They are also very nice. These are suji idlis. You can check my idli recipe for the recipe of this idli. And I hope you enjoyed this very lovely recipe of sambar. Please do try and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.